Hi guys, today I'm here to show you how to fix a very common mistake that happens when working with Blender and importing these meshes into Roblox. You can see here my sword looks pretty cool, except for the center here. What's going on here? It looks sort of inside out here in the centerpiece. I wonder what happened. Well, if you go into Blender, and it also looks just fine. Like, you didn't model it inside out, obviously. The way to figure out what happened exactly, you can go up here to this little Show Overlays button at the top right. Click on the drop down button. Come down here almost to the very bottom, second up, Face Orientation. Click on this, and there is all the red. The red is inside out. This is pretty much showing you normal information. Roblox takes this normal information from Blender and converts it into knowing how the mesh is inside out or not. So right now, blue is good, red is bad, pretty much always in Roblox. So you need to get rid of all of this red stuff. Well, how do we do that? So you need to click on the piece that is red, hit tab to go into edit mode, and now you hit 3 to go into face mode, and you can click on each individual face that's red, and then hit shift, and then while you're holding shift, press N. It'll turn the red face to blue. Shift N. That's N as in Norway. So now you just have to go through and click all of your red faces. It can be pretty tedious at times, but this is how you fix it. Shift N, Shift N, Shift N, Shift N, and just go through that until you're done pretty much. Fast forward in time, and there we go. The whole mesh is blue. So let's go ahead and put it into Roblox. After I put it into Roblox, it looks like this now. See? Problem solved. Inside out, bad normal information. Right side in, good normal information. Well, that about sums that up, so I hope that helped you out. It's a pretty common mistake and really frustrating if you don't know how to fix it. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.